O Allah, pray for them in a perpetual and everlasting prayer throughout the days and nights, never ending and never expiration, throughout the days and nights, as the number of every downpour and drizzle. The kingdom of Solomon, which has stunned the universe. The prophecy of Solomon, which guided nations and countries. Ethics of Solomon, that influenced his enemies before his followers, because of his kindness and softness of speech, and the simplicity of his speech. And all this, from the grace of Allah, the Exalted. Today, our conversation about Solomon's ring, peace be upon him. Some narrate that Solomon went into the bathroom and left this ring with his wife, and the devil appeared to her in the form of our master Solomon and took this ring. When Solomon came out, he said to her, "Where is the ring?" She said, "I gave it to Solomon." And he said to her, "I am Solomon." She said to her, "You are a liar." And the devil threw the ring into the sea. And Solomon went out of the palace, weak and poor, until he found his ring in a fish he was eating. He took the ring and returned to the palace.
This one among you is not Solomon. The devil has represented him and taken his form.
Come on, children of Israel. Enter this palace. Let's get the devil out. We have gotten rid of Solomon, children of Israel.
The devil couldn't have represented the prophet Solomon, peace be upon him. How do you know that, Al-Saf?
Do you know the unseen?
Do also you know the unseen? How did Prophet Solomon manage to harness the jinns and demons? Then the devil was able to Solomon.
What Al-Saf says is true. For God has given Solomon a kingdom such as will not belong to anyone after him.
I have a big surprise for you. It will spare you from Solomon.
Nikaramana,
What is the matter, brother Al-Saf?
I didn't know you were so brave in confrontation.
I have done nothing, but I defended the prophet Solomon with truth.
You could have kept quiet like they did.
And if I'm keeping silent, and neither I nor anyone else speaks, then Hoshan is on the right side, and the religion will lost.
I'm glad I met you today, and got to know the real you.
Thank you. See you soon.
And peace be upon you.
God has defended you, O Prophet Solomon.
What's wrong with you, O Hoshan? What has happened to you, my husband?
Solomon, Solomon. I can't conquer him yet.
Why are you working so hard to defeat him, Hoshan?
Because I'm more worthy than he is.
Why are you more worthy than him?
His father David took the prophecy, and Solomon took the kingdom. While we watch and applaud them,
Mind your own business, Hoshan. Take care of your business. Take care of your home.
My home. My home that has no son to make my heart happy, and carries my name after me. Leave me. Let me sleep or drink to forget.
Thus Solomon would order his soldiers, and his orders would be carried out immediately. He ordered the Hoopoe to search for water sources.
God overflowed Solomon with blessings, and grant him a kingdom such as will not belong to anyone after him. May God's peace be upon you, our master Solomon.
Sadia. Oh, Sadia.
Allow me to go, Sajia. Excuse me.
Listen, I don't like this woman. I don't like her. She is a follower of Solomon. And I've told you more than once.